Welcome to Great Nails 101. This time I'm going to do a design that I had done early on that I call my Flair Nails, and I'm going to do it in a variety of color schemes and different ways that you can do it. So I'm going to make a series of videos so that you can work with one design and learn how to make it work for you in different ways. And first of all, I started off with 1 to 2 thin coats of my base coat. I have 1 to 2 thin coats of my base color, and then I have a coat of my clear top coat. And what I'm doing today is I'm just going to do a simple line design to where you're using one nail, which is going to be the ring finger. And I have my little liners here, and this one actually here, a different company owns these now, so you can still find them. And a lot of my stuff I do get it online, so it makes it easier for you to get it when you need it through that way. So this brush here is a lot thinner than the one that I have there, and all I'm doing is going straight up. And a lot of times you want to reload so that the coloring is consistent. And this is just, the black is just going to be 3 lines. And the center line, I want it to be the longest. Or at least try to have it to be the longest. And since this is a water soluble, I can clean this brush off pretty easily with water. So that was my black. And now I have a metallic red that I like. I'm not sure if you can still get this color through the other company that carries this now. And so this is going to just go in between those lines, and all this is just going straight up. And this gives you a nice little design, and I like using lines because they're kind of easy to do. They don't have to be perfect, and then they don't have to be exact. And there's that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glitter. This is a silver glitter, and this glitter just ties it all together, softens it in case you made any little mistakes, and gives you a really nice little look to it. You don't want to take it up too far because then you kind of lose your design, but just enough to clean it up. And there's a really easy design. If you have some extra time on your hands, you can start practicing on easy designs to do, because I know I can't go to the salon, and it is a little spendy to go to the salon, but just work on some little simple designs so you can have your own great nails. Let all this dry, put 2 thin coats of your clear top coat on it, and create your own great nails too.